Hello, my name is Anissa Ahla, and I will tell you about The Nightingale. The Nightingale is a novel written by Christine Hanna and published in 2015. It tells the story of two sisters in France during World War II and their struggle to survive and fight the German occupation of France. It was inspired by the story of a Belgian woman, André de Jong, who helped bring down Allied pilots to escape from Nazi territory. This book sold well, won a number of bestseller lists, and was chosen for screen adaptation by Three Star Pictures in March 2015. This book used a story frame literary device. The frame is presented in a first-person narrative as a memory of an old woman in 1995. Whose name was not originally revealed to the reader. This book used a story frame literary device. The frame is presented in a first-person narrative as a memory of an old woman in 1995, whose name was not originally revealed to the reader. However, the main action of this book is told in third person, following two sisters, Fianna and Isabelle, who lived in France around 1939, the night before World War II. Both of them are estranged from each other and their father, and this book follows two different paths they took. Fianna, the oldest sister, is a married school teacher who is raising her daughter Sophie in the city of Carriveau. Fianna's husband, Antoine, was recruited and later arrested as a prisoner of war. At home, Fianna faced French occupation by Germany after the Battle of France, struggled to keep herself and her daughter alive in the face of bad food rations, killing Wehrmacht and SS officers at her home, and increasing persecution of Jews in the city. When Fianna's best friend Rachel was deported to a concentration camp, she adopted Rachel's 3-year-old son Ari. Soon after, Fianna became responsible for hiding more than 19 Jewish children in the nearest orphanage. Meanwhile, an SS officer who was sadistic in his home used sexual violence as a means of control over Fianna. When the war ended, Fianna's husband returned from the POW camp, but he still had to face the consequences of the occupation. He was pregnant because of the rape of the SS officer, and Ari, whom he loved as a son, was taken away to be raised by his cousin in the United States. Isabelle, a younger and more careless sister, decided to take an active role in opposing the occupation. After being expelled from school, he traveled from Paris to Carriveau on foot, meeting a young rebel named Gaëtan along the route. At Carriveau, he joined the French resistance and was initially tasked with distributing anti-Nazi propaganda. After moving to a cell in Paris, he developed a plan to help shoot Allied pilots flee to neutral British embassies in Spain, where they could be repatriated. She was successful, and with the support of other resistance operators, including his father, with whom he began to rebuild relations, and M19 Britain. This was his main task during the war. He got the code name Nightingale and was actively hunted down by the Nazis. He was finally arrested, and after his father mistakenly claimed to be Nightingale to save him, he was sent to a concentration camp in Germany. He experienced hell conditions in the camp, but lasted long enough to see the end of the war. He walked to Vienna and they made peace. He reunited with Gaëtan once again before dying due to his ill treatment. The book ends with the old narrator, who is revealed to be Fianna, accepting an invitation to an event in Paris to remember his sister, the Nightingale. She traveled with his son Julien, who was unaware of his family's activities during the war and his true origins. After the event, Fianna reunited with Ari and she became peaceful with her memories of war. The Jung story also inspired the writer to do further research and find stories during the French Resistance about women who were willing to risk their lives and their children to protect Jewish families. This is the inspiration for the character of Fianna in this book. Other historical figures mentioned include World War I nurse Edith Cavell. The novel is also selling well, spending 45 weeks on the NPR hardcover fiction bestseller list and 20 weeks on the New York Times bestseller list. The book was chosen in March 2015 by Three Star Pictures for screen adaptation, with Anne Peacock for writing and Elizabeth Cantillon for production. In August 2016, it was announced that Michelle MacLaren would direct the film. Dakota and Elle Fanning will star in, marking the first time the sisters shared a scene in a film. Previously, they played the same characters at different ages. In separate scenes, the film is scheduled for release on December 22, 2021. I think the escapism of this story is shown by the character of Isabel. Since childhood, Isabel felt her father was unfair to her. She is a lonely child because her father paid more attention to her sister Fianna. Even after Fianna got married, she still did not get love from her father. It made her feel very lonely and sad. Then, after she grew up, she began to vent her feelings by doing things as she pleased. For example, by helping Allied pilots during the war. Even though she served clandestinely, but it was quite a big influence on the Allied army. Isabel felt that her father wouldn't care for her, so she didn't need to tell her father or ask her father for permission. She thinks that no one cares about her if anything happens to her, so she does as she pleases. The appearance of the hero in this story occurs when Isabel saves the Allied pilots. Isabel helps them to return to their respective countries. In this story, there is an unexpected plot. That is when Isabel's father knows what Isabel doing so far. Her father also knows the identity of the Nightingale because her father secretly works for the Allied army as a fake identity maker. This book begins with an old woman in Oregon, United States, who plans to return to France. At that time, we didn't know what role this old woman had in World War II, and the story will take us back to 1939. Two sisters, Fianna and Isabel, lost their mother when they were little. Their father was a World War I veteran who was traumatized, quiet, and moody. Younger and braver than her sister, Isabel Rossignol was often sent to a different school and unable to finish school because she often disobeyed. While her sister Fianna was pregnant and married at the age of 17. The siblings were angry with their father, but Isabel also hated Fianna for not taking him with her when she moved to the outskirts of Carriveau on the outskirts of France with her husband. Carriveau is the French town where Fianna lives. At the start of the book, Carriveau is a pretty little town where the people are friendly and cool about their daily routines. The townspeople know one another and greet each other as they move through town. While Carriveau is a small town, it does have an airstrip, which makes it attractive to the Germans when they invade. As the war goes on, the town becomes less of a lovely place to live and more a place of gossip and incrimination. The supplies become exceedingly scarce, with the Germans taking the best of everything for themselves. With so many Nazis around, the people became fearful and began to turn on one another. The characters in The Nightingale itself are not real people, but some of their actions are based on real historical figures. Isabel's escape route to the Pyrenees to fly a light air force was based on the line of Comet André de Jong, 24, a Belgian woman who helped the pilots and the others fly. Like Isabel, de Jong personally drove many people to the Pyrenees on foot. At the end of the war, he did it for 118 pilots. Also like Isabel, de Jong was captured at the end of the war and sent to the Ravensbrück concentration camp instead of being executed. When the Nazis disavowed his statement that herself arranged the route. However, de Jong lived long after the war, became a countess in 1985 and finally died in 2007. While in the novel, Isabel died of camp conditions not long after the war ended. This historical fiction novel is very well written. Although this novel tells about World War II, you will see more of the perspective of women in this book. Fiona and Isabel will certainly be the most prominent characters in this book. This novel tells about bitterness, anger, hatred, love, struggle, strength, and perseverance taking place in war. This novel has the message that in any situation, as difficult as anything, as long as we move forward and not look back, we will be able to realize what we want. That's all my explanation about the Nightingale. I'm sorry if I had a mistake. Thank you and see you.